It's 6 a.m. and your NPDES permit compliance report is due in 2 hours. You need to pull together maintenance logs for your clarifiers, aerator service records, and pump inspection documentation to prove you're meeting EPA standards. But the records are scattered. Some are in a filing cabinet, some are in spreadsheets, some only exist in your operator's notebooks. And as you're frantically searching, you get an alarm. A lift station pump just failed, and you have no idea when it was last serviced or if the replacement parts are even in stock. Meanwhile, you're managing preventative maintenance schedules for hundreds of pieces of critical equipment, responding to service requests from multiple facilities, and trying to stay ahead of regulatory deadlines that never stop coming. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Water and wastewater treatment facilities face some of the most demanding operational and compliance challenges of any industry. I'm here to show you how eWorkOrders CMMS transforms operations for water treatment plants and wastewater facilities, whether you're managing a single municipal plant or a company servicing dozens of treatment facilities across multiple locations. Our cloud-based platform gives you complete control over preventative maintenance scheduling, regulatory compliance documentation, and service request management, all from one centralized system accessible from any device with internet connectivity. Water and wastewater treatment is a 24/7 operation where equipment failure isn't just inconvenient. It can lead to EPA violations, environmental disasters, and fines that run into millions of dollars. But keeping up with maintenance and compliance is incredibly complex. You're managing hundreds of critical assets: clarifiers, aerators, pumps, blowers, generators, chemical feed systems, and treatment process equipment that absolutely cannot fail. Every piece of equipment has different maintenance requirements, different inspection schedules, and different regulatory documentation needs. Preventative maintenance constantly gets pushed aside by emergency repairs, leading to expensive breakdowns and compliance violations. When EPA audits or state inspections come around, you're scrambling to compile maintenance records, testing logs, and calibration certificates from multiple sources. And if you're a service company managing multiple treatment facilities, coordinating maintenance across different sites while ensuring each one stays compliant becomes an operational nightmare. Aging infrastructure and limited budgets make the challenge even harder. You need to make every maintenance dollar count while proving to regulators that you're meeting all NPDES permit requirements and Clean Water Act standards. That's exactly why water treatment plants and wastewater service companies across the country trust eWorkOrders. Our cloud-based CMMS gives you complete visibility and control over every asset in your operation. Track comprehensive maintenance histories for every piece of equipment, from installation through replacement. Know exactly when each pump was last serviced, which clarifiers are due for inspection, and which blowers need preventative maintenance. Every work order, every test result, every calibration is documented in one centralized, secure system that you can access from anywhere with internet connectivity. Our automated preventative maintenance scheduling ensures critical equipment never falls through the cracks. The system generates work orders based on calendar schedules, operating hours, or cycle counts, whatever makes sense for each specific asset. Your operators and technicians receive notifications when maintenance is due, and supervisors get alerts when deadlines are approaching or have been missed. You can prioritize work orders by criticality, ensuring that your most essential treatment systems always get attention first. For regulatory compliance, eWorkOrders becomes your single source of truth. Generate detailed NPDES compliance reports in minutes, showing complete maintenance histories, inspection records, and testing documentation. Track certifications, permits, and regulatory deadlines so nothing falls through the cracks. Store equipment manuals, standard operating procedures, and process documentation directly in the system, accessible to any authorized team member who needs it. The system also includes powerful inventory management to ensure critical spare parts are always available when you need them. Track parts by location, set reorder points for frequently used items, and eliminate the costly downtime that happens when you're waiting on emergency shipments because nobody knew you were out of pump seals or chemical feed components. For service companies managing multiple treatment facilities, eWorkOrders makes multi-site coordination effortless. Track assets and work orders across all your locations from one central dashboard. Assign technicians efficiently, manage inventory at multiple sites, and ensure every facility you service maintains perfect compliance records, all from one system. Water treatment plants and wastewater facilities across the country, from small municipal operations to large multi-site service companies, trust eWorkOrders to manage their critical infrastructure and maintain rigorous compliance standards. Individual treatment plants use our system to stay audit-ready and prevent violations, while service companies rely on eWorkOrders to coordinate maintenance across dozens of facilities and ensure consistent documentation standards everywhere they operate. They chose eWorkOrders because we deliver the reliability, security, and compliance documentation that regulated utilities demand, with the ease of use that gets their teams productive from day one. In water and wastewater treatment, proper maintenance management isn't optional. It's a matter of regulatory compliance, environmental protection, and operational survival. If you're ready to bring your maintenance operations into a modern, centralized system that keeps you compliant, prevents violations, and protects your community's water quality, we're here to help. Contact eWorkOrders today to discuss your specific operational needs and schedule a free demonstration. We'll show you exactly how our CMMS can help you stay ahead of EPA requirements and turn compliance from a constant worry into a competitive advantage. Visit eWorkOrders.com or call us directly. Let's make sure your maintenance program is as reliable as the water quality you deliver.